Isimo sishubile kule mijondolo kulandela ukuhlaselwa ngehluko owesifazane ngabesilisa abathathu. Isisulu besihamba kulesiganga ngesikhathi ehlaselwa. Labalisa kusolwa ukuthi bambhunyele ngoparaffin maqede bamokhela ngomlilo. Ozibonele uthi ukwazile ukumcima lo wesifazane wakha ngejubane yofuna usizo. Abesifazane kule ndawo sebehlalela uvalweni.
I didn't even think it was a lady. When my child called me, I was thinking it was a man because my child told me it's a man that was stabbed. We must come and help. And then I ran home. I called my boyfriend to come and help. When he came, it was a lady naked, burned, and she was telling me she was raped of 3 men. Yeah, at Trisay. Yeah.
Because we don't have electricity, we don't have much here. But for a woman, that something could happen to a woman like that. It's very sad. It's heartbroken. It could also happen to me. I also have a daughter. It could happen to my daughter. I just think she could just give us meet us halfway.
Izakhamuzi ezinxuse umasipala iSoliplaki ukuthi ufake ugesi kanye nezidingo zenhlanzeko. Ziphinde zacela ukubonakala kwamaphoyisa endaweni.
It's heartbreaking to do this to a woman, to come out and see what happened to a woman. A woman that we should protect as men, but to have found her in that situation, it was terrifying. It was emotionally and mentally disturbing to me.
Ukuthungatha kwalabalisa abathathu kuyaqhubeka.